The automotive industry is entering an exciting, if challenging, new phase, with global emission restrictions becoming more severe in the next decade. The ability to adapt to more efficient vehicles and manufacturing methods is paramount to survival. But the steel industry is looking to do more than just survive. Looking back on its long history of innovation, steel is now looking forward to help bring the automotive industry into the future.
Tomorrow's vehicles will feature capabilities such as autonomous driving and vehicle-to-vehicle connectivity. This will result in fewer driving emissions and also fewer crashes.
We're really pushing towards active safety. Obviously, the safest situation is if we can keep the cars from hitting each other in the first place. That's what we're trying to achieve.
Going into the future with more electric vehicles, use phase will become less significant than it is today, and the material production stage will become more significant.
Material selection towards the future is going to become more and more important. And the reason why is the vehicles are becoming more highly designed and more critical in terms of the requirements that they need to perform.
If you look to the innovation that steel can produce, there's really no other material that can do it better than steel. We have a great innovation capability. We provide the best design flexibility. We have a very good environmental performance, and it's a very affordable material.
I would say that steel has a great potential to realize higher and higher strengths in the future.
We are facing all over the world the CO2 targets, and these will be so tightened that an ICE can no longer be illustrated in the fleet to 100%. So you have to bring in hybrid propulsion systems. In the near future, there will be not that much improvement in battery capacity and in battery power. So you have to put more batteries into the vehicle. The more batteries you bring in the car, the more heavier will the car get. And so you have to think about lightweight design. And then you have to think about what is the right material for that.
Steel over the last 50 years has evolved into higher and higher strengths, and in addition to that, it's evolving into higher formability, which helps the automakers make complex designs. I see that trend continuing.
We'll still see steel as one of the prime materials in the automotive bodies of the future.
I like steel because the material has got such a huge potential to almost constantly re-innovate and reinvent itself.
In terms of safety, in terms of stiffness, and in terms of cost, steel has an advantage in the material choice.
What I enjoy about working in the steel industry is the continuous improvement and the continuous innovation that is brought thanks to the use of new technologies.
We have been suppliers to the automotive industry for more than a century, and we're there to stay.